In this video, I'll show you how to set a default HDMI input on your Philips Roku TV. What I mean by this is every time you turn on your TV, it will go on that HDMI input directly without you having to press anything. It's automatic. So how is it done? Let me start from the beginning. So you're going to press the home button on the remote control. And then on the left side menu, we need to go all the way down to settings. Press OK. And now again, we need to go all the way down until you select System. Press OK. And now go down, and this is what we need to select. Power. Press OK. And then the first option should be power on. And by default, it's home screen, because every time you power on your TV, it's usually going on the home screen. So press OK, and now we can select a different option. So if you want HDMI 1, select HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, or something else. For this example, I'll select HDMI 1. I'll press OK. And this is about it. Now you can, let's say, close your TV. Let me turn it off. And if I power it back on, it will go directly in HDMI 1. I didn't press anything. So if you have your PlayStation there, maybe a cable box, well, right away you'll be able to use it without going through the menus. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a comment down below. Tell me it worked. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.